Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve any issues in Windows 10 not opening any programs or Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type registry editor and hit enter in this option. If you receive a user account control, select yes and select this option or this folder. H key place root. Wait a moment. In this folder, browse that exe file, that exe folder. Double click in this option and in the right side in the .exe folder, select default and double click. You verify to contain this text exe file and click on OK. Scroll down and select the folder named exe file. One click and open default, double click. The value data is application. You be changed for this value. %1 special symbol, %star or asterisk, and click on OK. Copy this text and scroll down in the exe file folder, select shell and double click on default and paste this value or this text, this symbol, %1, this symbol, %star, and click on OK and restore the folder architecture. And restart your PC to apply the change. Go to the start menu, select power and restart. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to help this video for your problem, to solve your problem, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.